Pepe coin, Pepe, is trading around $0.00001114, down roughly 6% over the last 24 hours, with a massive $2.1 billion in daily trading volume, one of the highest liquidity figures among meme tokens. Over the week, Pepe has dipped by an additional 0.1%, underperforming broader market movements. Notably, recent whale activity indicates continued accumulation even amid volatility. Despite a 7.4% drop, analysts believe a rebound could target as high as $0.00039, contingent on support levels holding firm. Technically, Pepe's 200-day moving average has started sloping upwards since early August, but overall trend strength is mixed. Shorter-term charts show neutral RSI levels, providing little clarity on direction shortly. Looking ahead, CoinCodex forecasts a price drop of approximately 25%, expecting Pepe to settle near $0.00000583 by September 2025. In contrast, Binance models point to a modest recovery, without detailing specific price points. CoinLaw projects 2025 could see Pepe climb to around $0.00000223, doubling from current levels, and reaching $0.000055 by 2030. StealthyX's forecast ranges broadly, a minimum near $0.00000068, average $0.00000889, and maximum around $0.000112 in 2025. By 2030, they project ranges between $0.000657 and $0.00843, with an average of $0.000998. Changelly and CoinCodex forecasts generally fall in the $0.00000077 to $0.000033 range for 2025. Is 10 cents realistic for Pepe? Not under current tokenomics. That figure would require nearly a 100,000 times gain, equating to market capitalization far beyond all existing cryptocurrency value. Even projections stretching toward $0.001 are seen as extraordinarily aggressive. Long-term outlook, 2030 target spans $0.00007 to $0.00843, far from 10 cents. 10 cents? No. Mathematically implausible under current supply and adoption levels. Takeaway: Pepe delivers high volatility, community energy, and meme aggression, not a fundamentally driven asset. Pepe thrives on meme culture. It's fun, speculative, and fast-moving. If that's your vibe, it can deliver short-term excitement. But sustainability? That's tied to meme cycles, not intrinsic value. If you'd like this expanded into a full 6 to 8 minute script with chapter markers and visual prompts, just give me the nod.